Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video, y'all. And in today's video, your girl is trying some new products. I went to Ulta. I went and got the Anastasia medium to full coverage concealer. Girl, it was $29, but was it worth it? It was thebomb.com, okay? I also tried a new lip color. I did the Cocoa Pebbles. They got a new line in Ulta as well. So let's get started. I went to Ulta, y'all, and I got a lot of things from Ulta I want y'all to see. I'm gonna try them out. We gonna try them out together. My main focus in this video is gonna be this concealer that I purchased, along with, you know, some of the other stuff too, but really this concealer, because I wanna see if it's like, you know, real full coverage, like it says. I got me a Revolution brown lip liner. I needed one. It was on sale. I think it was $1.79. And I got my first concealer, Anastasia. So I got mine in the color 14. It says it's medium to full coverage blurring concealer. And it's the Magic Touch Concealer. So it was this one. It's a real big bottle too. So I was happy about that. I think it was like $24 or $25. I can look on the receipt and see. The next thing I purchased was this. Is so cute. Cocoa Pebbles, come on now, Cocoa Pebbles. This is lip gloss and this is in the color Betty. I also got this by ColourPop. This is just a regular eyeshadow. It was so cute and I just couldn't pass it up when I walked by. So this right here is in the color Plum 21E3 and it's the Super Shock Shadow. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see it, but it is really cute, y'all. Yeah, it's got a little glitter to it and this was about $3 or $4, y'all. Like I said, this is the color Pop and the color Plum. Oh, I also got this right here, y'all. This is Revolutions and this is in the color Nude. And this is just like a lip liner also. You know, they was on sale, so I was like, why not? Next thing I got was this Morphe palette and this is Talking Flirty. And I'm gonna show you guys the colors. This was on sale too. So I think normal price was like 20 something and it was on sale for like 12. So I was like, okay. All right, so these are the colors right here. You can see them. Very, very cute. Like, I feel like I could definitely wear these every single day. I don't know if I'm gonna use this palette today because I am about to get ready and head to the store. I'm gonna go to the mall, so I might use that palette. The next thing I purchased was this palette. I know y'all like, not another rainbow palette. But every shade is different and everybody uses different products. So that's why I don't really mind it. You know, you're just trying it to see who has the best quality. That's really what you're doing. So I got this palette as well. And this was on sale for $8.50. And this is called Aspen. And the last thing I got from Ulta was this Ashley Strong Morphine Lip combo set. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, y'all, because like I said, I do need to be on my way. So going in first, y'all know I love my milk. I'm actually gonna start trying to put my products on a different way today. So I'm gonna use a regular brush like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my milk. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay, y'all. This is full coverage and I have the color 336. That's how it looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a few pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna use that same brush that I was just using. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. So I am done blending. So I'm gonna move forward with my brows. And like I said, I learned this trick from someone else on YouTube. I forgot her name, but I'm pretty sure y'all know who she is. She's a makeup artist as well. And she puts on the lash duo on her clients' brows. And listen, they don't move. They don't move, y'all. They stuck like glue. You can see right now, they already stuck like. So you wanna go ahead and brush them the way that you want them, so when they stick, they ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, y'all. And y'all know with Anastasia, y'all have to make sure you don't pick up too much with this because it'll get too dark. And you want to avoid that because we don't want that cakey fake look. You want it to still look kind of natural and, you know, put together nicely. And you always want to go in with those soft strokes too. All right, y'all, we finna get into this $30 Anastasia concealer. I do want to clean up my brows. Yeah, okay, it's giving. It's giving me something. Like, it's definitely coverage right here, for real. Y'all know I like to take my little concealer up a little bit more. Just a tad bit. I'm gonna press that in with my beauty blender in a second, y'all, but I'm gonna do my brows right quick. Y'all know I like to go in 2 times, at least 2 times, with the concealer under my brows. All right, we're gonna go back in again. And this is what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just taking it from the tip, using my brush, and just putting it on my brows. I'm going in with some of my milk, y'all. And just popping a little bit on my lid before I get things started. Okay, y'all, so this is the palette that I'm going in with as far as, this is what I've been using. This is the palette I'm going in with to go ahead and do my shadow. So I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here, which is called Lock Eyes, okay? Ooh, okay. And y'all know I just like to pack it on first, and then I'll go ahead and do my thing. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out so it doesn't look so harsh. Right next to that, it's a color called Chance It, and that's gonna be this color right here. So I'm gonna go in with that on top of this color that I already have. So what I'm gonna do is put on a little more concealer. I'm going back in with that color. I'm gonna use a different brush. All right, y'all, that's cute. So the Chancey color looks caramel in this palette, but when it's on me, it looks more orange. Like it's like it's got orange undertones or something, because it is not going on caramel at all. It is very much giving me an orange look, which I'm okay with that. Like it's cute, but I'm just saying I thought it was gonna be caramel, so I probably should have went in with the other color that's at the top. But we're gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer right here above our brows. And this is my brush Luxie, and this is the detailed tapered blender. And I'm not brushing out too much of that concealer because I do still want that glow underneath my brows, like how it is right now. So I'm leaving, you know, some of that right there. I'm gonna go in with You're Cute, and that's this color right here, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and use that same brush because it is in the brownish family. So use that same brush and just kind of like go over that brown. And I didn't use it a lot. I just literally just dabbed it. Y'all know I ain't the queen of contour, but I'm gonna do a little contour. So I'm gonna go in with a little concealer, because you know you're supposed to put the little concealers in the middle when you're doing contour. So I'm gonna try this. I'm trying to debate y'all between the Betty and I guess I'll do the Betty look just to see like what it's giving. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Okay. I like that. Oh. This is a hit. That actually makes me want to go and get the rest of them. But like I said, I will have to try to find them at another store because they didn't have them there. Don't worry, I'm gonna go in and put on a liner. But let me just bake. Y'all seen that though. I know y'all seen that. This whole time I wasn't baking and I don't have no creases. So that was already a good sign for me. Okay, so that combo that I had earlier, it came with this little like lip liner for the lip gloss. So what I did was I used the Cocoa Pebbles Betty lip, and then I went ahead and used this liner that came out of the Ashley Strong combo, the lip combo, and that was perfect. This is a really cute color together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my MAC, and this is in the color Twig, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle center of my lip, literally just like a little bit. Because you know you want to have that little pink, just a little bit of pink, not much. Okay, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling the concealer, y'all. I'm feeling all of this. The lip combination, the eyes, like everything on here went well. Like I don't feel like this was heavy. I feel like this concealer went really, really good with the foundation. But then again, everything goes good with that foundation from my understanding. Like that's one of like the best affordable foundations that you could get. All right, y'all, so I am taking off my setting powder. And I'm about to put on my Revolutions bronzer. It is so hard, y'all, trying to hold this palette and hold this thing. It's too much. It's too much for me. And I'm just gonna go in and, like I said, tap this like that. Okay, y'all? Go in, you tap it. Go in, you tap it. Go in, you tap it like this. Right? And now you wanna blend it. You kind of want to blend it in a circular like motion like this. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun filming it for you guys, like always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.